Let me tell you why the American Express Platinum card is absolutely radical. This card is not for everyone, but for the right person, it's one of the most powerful pieces of plastic you'll ever carry. So what makes the Amex Platinum so radical? Let's start with the welcome bonus. Right now, you can get up to 175,000 membership rewards points after meeting the spending requirement. At a conservative value of 1 cent per point, that's $1,750 in travel value before you even make your first purchase. Then there's the lounge access. This is where the Platinum really shines. You get access to Amex's own Centurion lounges A Circumflex Euros, and these are not your average airport lounges. We're talking sit-down dining, full bars, spa services, shower suites. Plus you get Priority Pass, Delta Sky Club when flying Delta, and Plaza Premium lounges. You basically never have to sit at a crowded airport gate again. The annual credits are where the math gets interesting. Up to $200 in airline fee credits, $200 in Uber Cash, $240 for digital entertainment credits, $100 at Saks Fifth Avenue. Add all that up and you're looking at over $700 in statement credits each year. And with the latest refresh, there are even more new perks coming in 2025 and 2026. Hotel benefits are insane. You get automatic gold status with Hilton and Marriott, which means free upgrades, late checkout, and bonus points on every stay. Plus, when you book through Amex Travel, you get a $100 hotel credit and room upgrades at fine hotels and resorts. That's a $500 to $1,000 value per stay easily. The annual fee is $895. Yeah, that's steep. But here's the thing, A Circumflex Euros. If you actually use the benefits, the card pays for itself multiple times over. The key is to use every single credit and perk. If you travel at least a few times a year, this card is a no-brainer. One thing people don't realize, A Circumflex Euros, this isn't a card for earning everyday points. It only gives you 5x on flights and 5x on prepaid hotels through Amex Travel. For groceries and gas, you'll want a different card. The Platinum is about luxury travel perks, not everyday spending. Is it worth it? If you're a frequent traveler who values airport lounge access, hotel upgrades, and travel protections, absolutely yes. If you fly once a year, probably not A Circumflex Euros, look at the Amex Gold instead. The Amex Platinum card is radical because it transforms how you travel. From the moment you arrive at the airport to the time you check into your hotel, everything feels premium. That's the real value, A Circumflex Euros. It's not just points and credits, it's the experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, drop a like and subscribe for more credit card deep dives. See you in the next one.